Hello friends, good day all of you. Today you are going to start your great C programming journey through Fast Track Developer Series. How it is great, how it can be unique, first you have to understand. Actually, this is totally a different system from other systems. How? Today itself, regardless of your programming background, you write a solid C programs formally from basic level to advanced level. That just with 1 hour of your effort, you can do that. That is the power of this Eclair system. Now, let us start with a simple task. Simple task that is calculating the areas of a room. Areas means the floor area and four walls area. So, for developing this program, you have to provide certain inputs to the program. What are the inputs? There are 4 inputs. First one is name of the room. In your home, different rooms are there: bedroom, study room, living room, kitchen room, etc. and all that. So, name of the room you have to enter. Thereafter, you know that there are 3 dimensions for a room. What are they? Length, breadth, and height. So, you know the formula for calculating floor area and calculating four walls area. Using those formulae, you have to calculate the areas and ultimately you have to produce your output in a format. This is not just result. Result means simply putting the output, putting the result. It is formatted output. For the sake of your idea, now I am giving you. Now you see, enter the name of the room. You enter the room's name. Thereafter, length of the room, breadth of the room, and height of the room, as you like. You can enter, and thereafter, your program. You have to write your program. After execution of the program successfully, your output should be like this. Your output perfectly should be in a readable format. This is a formatted output you have to produce. Now we see that room's name, thereafter length, breadth and height. You have to mention units. Simply putting figures is not enough. So feet. Thereafter floor area, SFT, square feet and four walls area, SFT. In this manner, you have to produce the output. Actually, whenever you are writing the program, you must this content and format of the output in your mind. That is like your destination of your journey. With reference to that only, you write our program. That's why first I am showing you what type of output and what type of format your program should generate the result. Okay. Now, this is the basic program. In this, already I told you, basic to advanced. The same program you work out in 4 levels. By that, you can reach the advanced level. Today itself, just a matter of 1 hour effort, you will be in a position to, 1 hour maximum 2 hours effort, you will be in a position to write this program, regardless of your programming background. If you know simple C basics, basics of C programming, that is enough. Okay. Now, CFT, now all that you name like the CFT, C Fast Track Series 1. There are 4 levels in that. First level is A. 1A is the first level. Now already explained to you. In this, simply you have to calculate, you have to enter 4 input data items and you have to calculate floor area and 4 walls area. Thereafter, you have to produce the output as I showed to you. Okay. Next, you see that second level, that is 1B, CFT 1B. Here, you write this program in sequentially without using any functions. Sequentially, line by line, statement by statement, you write this program. By that, you can have a clear idea and within a short span of time, you can get the result without worrying about functions and all that. So, it will be a first great experience, great success for you. And it is your morale booster. So, thereafter, second level. Actually, the same task you take up, calculate floor area and four walls area of the room and produce the output in a format that you take up using functions. Here, using functions. Actually, C is a true function oriented programming language. If you write a C program using functions, then only it is a real C program. That point you have to understand that. So after writing this program, if you come to this, your burden is 50% reduced, because whatever statements you have written here, the same statements you are going to use here. But additionally, you should know about the functions, and regarding functions, in concept zone, everything I explain. You don't worry about that. If you do not know functions also, here itself by reading the concept zone, you learn everything practically, then you write the second level program. The task is same. That means output will be output and its formation will be same for these two programs. Next, third level. Third level, how you name it? CFT 1C. This is third level. In this, one more task I am going to give. What is that? Renovation cost. You would like to renovate the room. For that purpose, you are replacing the floor, and the second one is you are repainting the walls. That is renovation. So floor area and this replacement of floor area are same. Second one, four walls area. In order to paint four walls area, then what you exclude? You paint only for walls, not for doors and windows. That you have to deduct. Deduct. Rest of the four walls area, you have to paint it. So renovation cost includes replacement of the floor and repainting of the four walls, excluding doors and windows. That is third level. I explain everything, don't worry about that. And fourth level, CFT 1D. This is an assignment program. After performing the three programs on your own, you will be in a position to do this on your own comfortably. What is the additional functionality in this? In this, what you excluded in this level, we are excluding doors and windows. So in this, we are painting walls, painting windows as well as doors. That cost also in a renovation cost, it is included. You have to add that one. In this way, actually, you start with a basic level, there is an advanced level. Just with a few hours of your endeavor, even though if you are a beginner, you will be in a position to perform this. And one more thing, every bit of thing I will explain very, very clearly. You never miss. You can see the code, but what I advise you, don't copy that. Don't copy the code. By copying that, you don't get. You understand every bit of code. Thereafter, you write everything on your own. You may commit, being a beginner, you may commit some mistakes. That error is human. Don't worry about that. With every mistake, you learn new things. You never commit the same mistake. That is the assurance. So, don't feel an error is your enemy. You always feel that error is your good friend. Because by that, you are going to learn new things, and you never commit the same mistake again.